ADHD, a high-incident disability. What is ADHD? ADHD is a high-incident emotional disturbance. It is a developmental disability that causes a person to get more easily distracted and loses attention more quickly than others. Causes of this is beyond genetics. The main cause is unknown. Scientists have found that excessive sugar eating and screen time do not cause ADHD. Studies have found that neglected children have a higher chance of developing ADHD due to their circumstances. Boys are more likely to be diagnosed than girls, and this affects 11% of school children and 4% of adults. Severity of ADD must be defined. Mild is few symptoms beyond the required number and result in minor impairment. Second is moderate, symptoms between mild and severe. Third is severe. Many symptoms beyond the required number. Several symptoms are very severe and cause impairment in school, social, and work settings. Characteristics. A child with ADHD might daydream a lot, forget or lose things a lot, squirm or fidget, talk too much, make careless mistakes, or take unnecessary risks, have a hard time resisting temptation, have trouble taking turns, and have difficulty getting along with others. They may also have a delay in learning. ADHD is like a language disorder, a learning disability, mental retardation. It is a delay in the development of a normal human trait, and it is the delay that defines the disorder. ADHD as a development disability is defined as a function of the magnitude of the lag from the normal population. There are 3 types of ADHD. First is predominantly inattentive presentation. It is hard for the individual to organize or finish a task, to pay attention to details, or to follow instructions or conversations. The person is easily distracted or forgets details of daily routines. For example, they fail to give close attention to details, make careless mistakes, has difficulty sustaining attention, does not appear to listen, struggles to follow through with instructions, has difficulty with organization, avoids or dislikes tasks requiring sustained mental effort, loses things, and is easily distracted. The second one is predominantly hyperactive impulsive presentation. The person fidgets and talks a lot. It is hard to sit still for long. Smaller children may run, jump, or climb constantly. The individual feels restless and has trouble with impulsivity. Someone who is impulsive may interrupt others a lot, grab things from people, or speak at inappropriate times. It is hard for a person to wait their turn or listen to directions. A person with impulsiveness may have more accident and injuries than others. The third is combined presentation. Symptoms of the above 2 types are equally present in the person. There have been many medical advancements in ADHD. About 11% of children ages 4 to 17 have been diagnosed with ADHD as of 2011. This has gone up from 2003 when only 7.8% of children were diagnosed. The FDA has also approved 3 non-stimulants to treat the symptoms of ADHD. These are Strattera and atomoxetine, Intuniv, guanfacine, and Capvey, clonidine. Various forms of methylphenidate and amphetamine are used to increase dopamine levels in the brain. Behavioral therapy is also an option. There are many classroom challenges. Students struggle to pay attention and are often a disruption for other students. Students will struggle to sit in a classroom setting for long periods of time. Students will be impulsive. Students will interrupt the teacher and classmates. Students will speak when they are supposed to be studying or listening. Some assistive technologies that have been developed to help children with ADHD are electronic math worksheet software, talking calculators, audiobooks and reading software, and word prediction software. Electronic math worksheet software enables students to organize and work through problems on a computer screen. Numbers that appear on screen can be read aloud by a speech synthesizer. Talking calculators have a built-in speech synthesizer that reads aloud each number, symbol, or operation key a student presses, as well as the answer. The oral feedback lets a student with ADHD know whether he pressed the right keys and verifies the answer before he transfers it to paper. Audiobooks and reading software. Recorded books allow users to listen to text, and they are available in a variety of formats: audio cassette, CD, and MP3 download. Special playback units allow users to search and bookmark pages and chapters. Word prediction software predicts the word the user intends to type, expanding his vocabulary and improving written expression. These programs can assist students with ADHD in producing grammatically correct and topic-specific sentences and paragraphs on a word processor. Support organizations for people with ADHD are Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, CHAD, which is Children and Adults with Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, National Resource Center on ADHD, and the National Center on Birth Defects and Developmental Disabilities, ADHD. A resource for teachers is our annual conferences conducted by the CHAD to train teachers to better attend students with ADHD.